Looking for the best rotary tools to tackle your next project? Whether you're cutting, sanding, engraving, or polishing, the right rotary tool can make all the difference. We've rounded up the top 5 rotary tools that offer precision, power, and versatility for any task. Let's get started. The Dremel 43005 is the most powerful rotary tool Dremel offers, and it delivers. It's corded, running on 120-volt power, so you never have to worry about battery life. With a universal 3-jaw chuck, it accepts all Dremel accessory shank sizes, making it one of the most versatile tools in its class. The variable speed modo provides smooth, precise control, and the pivoting LED light ensures visibility in tight spaces. Whether you're grinding, cutting, carving, or sanding, this tool doesn't back down. The airflow system keeps it running cooler and quieter than previous models, and the replaceable motor brushes extend its lifespan. It also comes with 5 attachments and 40 accessories, so you're covered for a wide range of tasks. If you need power, precision, and versatility, the Dremel 4300 is hard to beat. You're not going to want to miss this one. Dremel delivers serious versatility with the 8240-5 cordless rotary tool. It's packing a 12-volt lithium-ion battery that keeps it running strong, with variable speeds from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. Swapping accessories is effortless, thanks to Dremel's easy twist nose cap, and the 360-degree grip makes handling smooth and comfortable. It's not quite as powerful as the corded Dremel 4300, but the trade-off is total cord-free convenience. The LED battery indicator keeps you informed, and ventilation openings keep the motor running cool and quiet. Portability, ease of use, and reliability make this a top pick for DIYers and professionals alike. It may not have the raw power of its corded counterpart, but for anyone needing on-the-go precision, the 8240-5 is a no-brainer. Dremel gives you plenty of options when it comes to rotary tools, and the 4004 stands out as a versatile, high-performance choice. Running at 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, it delivers steady power with electronic feedback, so it won't bog down under load. It's not quite as advanced as the Dremel 4300, but it still handles cutting, sanding, polishing, and engraving with ease. The 86 included accessories give it an edge over some other models, and the 4 attachments expand its functionality even further. The corded design means you'll never run out of power, though you're trading mobility for consistency. Dremel's airflow system keeps things cool, and the ergonomic grip makes long projects more comfortable. If you want a reliable rotary tool with a massive accessory kit, this one's a solid pick if you can find it in stock. If the Dremel 4300 feels like more than you need, the Dremel 9121 Fortiflex might be the better fit. This flex shaft rotary tool is all about precision and control, with a powerful 2.5 amp motor that delivers high torque at lower speeds. The foot pedal speed control sets it apart, letting you adjust RPMs hands-free, which is a game changer for detailed carving and engraving. Unlike traditional rotary tools, this one features a heavy-duty, flexible shaft, making it perfect for intricate work. It also comes with 21 Dremel accessories, covering everything from polishing to cutting. The build quality is solid, and the bearing system keeps operation smooth and cool even during long sessions. It's not the fastest Dremel tool, but for jewelers, engravers, and precision woodworkers, it's one of the most versatile and easy-to-control options out there. Bosch's GRO 12V-35 rotary tool is designed with professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts in mind. Powered by a 12-volt battery, this tool offers variable speed control from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of tasks. From sanding to engraving, the compact and lightweight design, weighing only 0.44 kilograms, makes it perfect for extended use without causing fatigue. The integrated LED light ensures precise work, even in low light conditions, and the 12-volt battery system provides the convenience of compatibility across all Bosch tools in the same voltage class. While this tool may not handle the heaviest duty tasks like some corded models, it's an excellent choice for detailed, precision-driven projects. With its hands-free variable speed control via the foot pedal, it allows for smooth, consistent operation in carving, cutting, and polishing, making it a solid option for any toolbox.